Hi, this is a video walk-around tour of the 2007 Harley Night Train that I have up for sale on eBay. As you can see, it is all powder-coated black with chrome highlights on it. The tins are pearl black, which is a kind of a pearlescent black metal flake type of paint. Looks really nice. The rear tire is the 2007 was the first year Harley came out with the stock 200mm rear tire. And what I've added on the bike is the custom-made spike machine gun milled black hand grips, the Vance & Hines side shots, which we'll get to in a second. The Harley, I don't have the Screaming Eagle cover on there, but it's the Harley high volume stage 1 air cleaner in there. And the detachable sissy bar, as you can see, it's a quick detach. So if you're riding with a passenger or driving to work and want to load something on the luggage rack, it goes on and comes off very quickly. Just hooks on up front there and just snaps in as well. The windscreen is a Memphis Fats, which detaches that quickly as well. It just pops off and pop it right back in. So it cuts down really quickly to a nice city cruiser or a highway cruiser, depending on your needs. So it's keyless. You just have the key fob, which you just stick in your pocket or your jacket. Turn on the ignition. There's the odometer. 9,036 miles. And give it a start. So that is a quick tour of the bike. I hope it catches your interest, and happy bidding.